What's up, everybody? How you doing? Thank you for tuning into a brand new video. Today we got 3 different new tickets. Yesterday you seen the new $5 tickets. Well, today, by the way, happy Monday. Today we got 2 of the new enemies of mine, which I do like the color of these. They're the 2 $10 triple red 7s. It's just a new version. Match and win, red 7, win, 2 7s double, 3 is triple. Then they brought these $3 tickets back. The $3 fruit explosion. That one's kind of fun. You just gotta get a line, complete the line, and you win the prize. And then we got 5 of these new $2 Money Madness. So, without further ado, let's see how we do. I think it's, what, 10, 20, 30, $36 today. So nothing crazy. Let's see if we can win some money, though. You guys have to let me know what you think about these new tickets. Whoops. All right. Let's use the big coin today. Big, not bit. Big. All right, match and win. Money bag is double, and it looks like the odds are 1 in 4.28, which are the exact same as the cash drop. And the cash drop has a double symbol as well. Maybe we do a $2 ticket battle one of these days. Let's do it. Ooh. Okay, that's that kind of coding. That's a bummer. It's one where the coin will scratch it, but it'll also scratch more than it needs to. Start ripping the ticket in half. I was looking for a 4 and a 15. Nope. Yeah, it's kind of a unique ticket to scratch. 415. Now on the first one. All right. Ticket number 134. 12 and an 8. 18. It's not gonna work. Nope. Okay, 135. 911. There's an 11. Oh, there we go. Ah. 3 11s, sorry. All right, 4 matches. Let's see what we got. $1, $2, $4. We'll take it. It's 4 on the board. All right. 136. 6 and a 20. Nothing. All right, 137. Last ticket, and then we'll get to the $3 ones. 12, 11. There's the pairs. If you know, you know. And nothing. All right, so now we're on to these $3 tickets. We have tickets 96 and 97. Odds on these bad puppies are 1 in 3.74. There's a lot of $3 tickets out there now. Maybe we should do a $3 battle one of these days. All right, let's do it. Fruit explosion, come on. And we're gonna use Miss Money's dog tag. Look for blueberries and figs. Blueberries. Blueberries. No, I don't know. These aren't really considered figs, I don't think. Or is it? Oh, it is. Okay. I wasn't sure. Okay. Nothing else there. Avocado and starfruit. I like my... Oh, that's a pear. Whoops. I like my avocados. And starfruit. Any more avocados? Nope. Apparently, I don't know my fruits. Cherry and grapes. We got a lot of grapes down here. Okay. Lemon and kiwi. Just need a pineapple and we'll get that one. Come on, pineapple, watermelon, and a banana. Okay. Nothing yet. Orange and an apple. Apple. If we get a pear, that'll be a win. And was it oranges too? Yep. Yeah. Okay. And these ones I'll definitely, like I said, I'll definitely scan. Cantaloupe. I was wondering what this was. And coconut. Oh, but that pear is not a... We didn't get a pear. So that's not a win. Cantaloupe, coconut. And nothing. Nothing on the first one. Alright, 97. Come on. Be the ticket. Let's see if we can get a win on each new ticket. Apple and watermelon. And watermelon. Okay. Strawberry and avocado. Okay. Lemon. Grapes. Nope. Now I know the fastest way to do this would be to reveal all the fruits up here and then just go to each line. Like, oh, don't have cherries? Okay, move on. But we're switching it up today. Cantaloupe. And the bananas. Okay. Oh, cantaloupe. One right there. Star fruit. There we go. That's going to take out a lot. And peach. Millions of peaches. Doo-doo-doo-doo. All right, cherries and a pear. Nope, pears. And last two. Orange and blueberry. And blueberries. All right, well, we didn't get anything there. I wonder what the prize amounts look like. Oh, okay, that's cool. All right. Well, nothing there. Let's do the last two $10 tickets. Looking for match win, red 7, 2, or 3. Come on, be nice to me, ticket. 23, 14, 33, 43. Double deuce. Lucky 32, so it's got to be a winner, right? It is. Only when that, whatchamacallit, that lucky 32's around, it's always going to be for you. There's a double deuce. All right. 13, no. Come on, let's get some more. Or else it's just going to be 5 and 5, but we'll take it. A win's a win. $31 and 50-50. All right. See what the 7's got for us. $5. $5, but we do get a classic. Boop. All right, so $10. We'll take that. So far, we're at $14. Back. Let's see if we can go back to back. Ticket 47. 6, 29, 36, 5, and 42. Dirty, dirty. Can we go back to back? Lucky 32. That means we will. The 35, 12, 35, 10, 15, 44, and 4, 500. 11. Well, unfortunately, that one was a dud, but we did find 2 wins. We found $4 win on this $2 Money Madness, and then $10 on the $10 Triple Red 7. Let me know what you guys think about these new tickets, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that like rating, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next one. Take care, and goodbye.